Oh, the lovely sound of guinea hens. There's Mama. That's Lurkey. And those 5 are our birds. The ones that you see up there and up on the hill, those we think are our neighbor birds. That pop up sound, that means they're females. Ours here are all males. They just make a chirp, chirp, like that. And unfortunately, since the other birds have started coming around here, we get these sounds all day long. And there's been as many of, like, we've got 5 of our own, 4 of the neighbors that they just released out, and they're the females that come down. I think it's the 4 that are in the middle of the hill right there. Then there's another 14 or 15 that it flew in the other day, and it's just, I guess the hoity-toity word would be cacophonous. And this is Mama. She lets me pet her now. And Lurkey showing how big and proud he is. Yeah, these birds get loud and annoying.